uh, the after tax price for your new designer shirt is $96.29. That's going to be after tax price, so you call this as a final price, final value, you can call final value. And the 7% is percentage. So, and the question is, what was the pre-tax price? So pre-tax price here is initial value. Initial value. So you got to find the initial value that you are given as final value and the percentage. So there's a formula. Again, you refer the formula from the book. Initial value equals to final value divided by 100 plus p%. So the final value is going to be 96.29 divided by 100 plus p is 7, which is as a percent. So 96.29 divided by 107%, which is same as 96.29 divided by 1.07. If you change percent to decimal, this is same as $89.99. Okay, well, this is almost $90, but if you want to answer to the nearest cent, you put 99 cents. If you want to answer in the nearest dollar, you put $90. And this is the tax. Sorry, this is the price of t-shirt before 7% sales tax. Then after 7% sales tax, the football game was attended by 417 people, 20% more than last week. So this is this week attended. This week. This is a new value. Oh, I should say final value. Okay, which is 22% more than last week. So last week value is going to be initial value. Initial value. So we're going to find the initial value, and we are given final value and how many more as a percentage. So again, you have the same formula as before. We use initial value equals final value divided by 100 plus p%. So I use the same formula. Initial value, I just put p as a value, is final value divided by 100 plus p%. Because it's a more than, I have to do 100 plus p. So final value is going to be 417. Initial value going to be 100 plus 22%. This gives you 417 divided by 122%. As a decimal, 122 going to be 1.22. And if you divide 417 by 1.22 and round it to nearest whole number, that gives you 342 people. So that many people attended last week, and this week more, 22% more, and this week 417 people attended the game. You pay $96.29. Next question. You purchased a phone case for $18, which was leveled price pre-tax. So $18 here is the pre-tax price. So this is the initial price, which is pre-tax. The local sales tax is 5%. This is the tax rate, and you have to add 5% on the initial price. What is your cost including taxes? That's the final cost, which is final price. So again, we have the formula for that. Final price equals to 100 plus p% times initial price. Initial price. So 100 plus p is 5% as a p, times initial price is $18. You multiply this percentage by 18, which is 105% times 18. 105% is 1.05 times 18. This gives you how many dollar? Going to be 18.90. So after 5% tax on $18, the price is going to be $18.90.